Alright, here is a Holmes box fan. So yeah, here it is. It's right here. I love these I love vintage box fans, you know. I had a fridge at one point, one that my grandparents gave to me, but I turned it into a drawing machine, and my dad couldn't fix it, so I got rid of it. And I had a Toastmaster fan, and the cord snapped on it. Still at my school, though. And I do have a, vintage Galaxy fan, but it started to smell like sputtering smoke. So here it is. Here's low. It is shaky. Feel some air from it. What's the model name of this box fan? Is it HBF, ABF something? Not HBF. The newer ones are just called HBF. Nah. I don't like the newer Holmes stuff. Dude, Holmes was good back in the 80s, but I don't know. Here's medium. Starting to shake. It has some leaves in it, so I may clean it out. Here's high. It's going to be very shaky. But there's leaves in the way, but we can't double there. Notice that all my content's not for children. Some of my content's not for children. It's for people 13 and up. There's the back of it. Here's my mom's car. Let's move it out to the front so it can blow outside. Oh. Right here. Now I face it back inside. Has a vintage look to it, which is pretty cool. Now it's spin down. I think one of the chefs at my school has a vintage box fan, and the cord snapped on it. But they fixed it. They haven't fixed the Edison yet. I don't know why. So yeah, that's the vintage Holmes box fan. Thanks for watching.